Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw cute narwhals. You can use pencil, marker, whatever you feel comfortable with. Let's begin. So we're going to start from the top of our paper and we're going to make a S shape. This is for the body and there you go. Next we're going to make the narwhal's awesome horn by making a U shape right here. And then I'm going to make another line underneath. And then we're going to make a big V, upside down V, or N. Very pointy one because narwhal's horns are really sharp. Okay, so now we're going to go downward in a curved shape. And going down. But I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to make sure that these two lines don't touch because we're going to make the tail next. So we're going to have a curved line going down and then another curved line going the other direction. Let's make the inside of that tail. There you go. And then another curved line going the other way. Perfect. Let's make some fins. I'm going to make a little C shape right here. Then I'm going to make an opposite C on the other side. Super. Cool. And let's make some little ends for the eyes because our narwhal is super happy. And a cute little smile right there in the middle. Our narwhal is almost complete. I'm going to grab a gray warm marker. You can use a gray marker, whatever you have at home, but I'm going to make an arch in the middle of its body, almost touching the mouth because my color is going to change when I start coloring it in. Okay, I'm going to grab my other marker now and we're going to make a tiny narwhal right next to this big one. Maybe it's a baby. All right, so we're going to make a C shape right here. And then we're going to come around like this. So we have the narwhal's horn. So I'm making another tiny U, another tiny U, and a sharp triangle. Now I'm going to continue making those curved lines to show that the narwhal's horn is long and sharp. And then here we go with another curved line. A smaller curved line right here for its tail. And another tiny line right there. And another tiny line for the other side of the tail. And one last one. Super. Let's make those arms by making this C shape again. Making another C shape. And we're going to draw curved lines going like an N shape and a tiny smile. And again, I'm going to grab another marker that has more of a purple color to it to make its tummy and make that archway again. Cool fact, narwhal's horns can get as long as 10 feet long. So cool. All right, I'm going to add some like little designs right behind. Make some hearts. Make a tiny little heart. And some diamond shapes, which you can make little V's connecting to each other. Two little V's, one V on the top and then one V on the bottom. Another V on the top and another V on the bottom. And you got these fancy little stars. And I'm going to draw a little heart. Now, your design could be completely different than mine. Ours don't have to look alike, and that is okay. But there you have it, our two cute narwhals that are ready to get colored in. I hope you enjoy this. Please, if you can, send me a photo of your work. I would love to post it and make you shine. I hope you enjoyed drawing the narwhals. Let's get ready to color. don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.